Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance issues in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling the Electrolux Dryer Error Code E60 for 2025 models. If your dryer suddenly stops mid-cycle and flashes this code, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can often be fixed at home. Let's dive right in. First off, what does Error Code E60 mean? In Electrolux dryers, this code typically signals a problem with the temperature sensor or thermostat. It might indicate that the dryer is overheating or that there's an issue with the internal components regulating heat. This could stem from lint buildup, a faulty sensor, or even electrical glitches, all of which we'll cover today. To start troubleshooting, safety first. Unplug your dryer and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. Once it's safe, check the exhaust vent. Is it clogged with lint or blocked? Clear it out thoroughly, as restricted airflow is a top cause of this error. Next, inspect the lint filter. Make sure it's clean and properly installed. If everything looks good there, try resetting the dryer. Simply unplug it for a full 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, you might need to delve deeper. Check the dryer's sensor for any visible damage, but remember, if you're not comfortable with electrical components, it's time to call a professional technician. They can diagnose if it's a wiring issue or a defective part that needs replacement. In 2025 models, Electrolux has improved some sensors, but regular maintenance is key to preventing this error. Clean your vents every 6 months and avoid overloading the dryer. By staying on top of these, you can keep your appliance running smoothly and extend its lifespan. There you have it, a quick guide to fixing Electrolux Dryer Error Code E60. We hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.